Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log into Firekirin application on your mobile device. So let's get started. First of all, make sure you open up the Firekirin app on your mobile device and then you will come across this interface. Make sure that you've checked on this agree box at the bottom and then you have two options to log in. You can either choose sign in with Facebook or sign in with Apple. Tap on any one choices and click on the continue button and follow through the instructions. If you've selected Facebook, you will need to enter your Facebook account's credentials. That is your mobile number or your email address associated with Facebook, followed by your Facebook password. If you've chosen Apple ID, you will then need to sign in with your Apple ID credentials. And once you are done entering the credential, tap on login. Right after you do that, you will be able to log into your Firekirin application. That is how it's done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.